In this video, we're going to create a pass using PassNinja dashboard in less than 10 minutes. So let's start. The first thing that we have to do is go to PassNinja, then select dashboard. Over here, I have multiple passes, so I'm going to use, for simplicity, I'm going to use one of my existing passes. But in your case, you're going to have to go and create a new pass template. You're going to have to select Apple or Google, and then four of the options that we have: ticketing, access control, loyalty, and coupon. So I'm using just one. I think it's coupon. So we're going to go and edit the one. But in your case, you're going to have to create it, and I don't want to go through the fill out the information. So let's go back to the template. I'm going to go edit in this case. In your case, it's going to be creating, but I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to upload a logo. So I just pick up a logo. Sorry for the logo being hidden somewhere. I know it's somewhere there. Okay, found the logo. So I upload the logo. I'm going to add a text for the company. So let's say the company is going to be coffee shop. I'm going to make that to be visible. Then I'm going to select some colors. I'm going to just leave the text color. I'm just going to choose some bright background color. So as soon as I select it, you'll see that the um, the pass on the right updates. I'm uploading an icon, and now I'm going to upload the strip image. It's sort of like a coffee theme. I'm going to uh, make visible or hide some of the information that I want to show. So in this case, I don't want to show headers or primary. I want to basically show, and just for the sake of an example, I'm going to show only the label and the value of the secondary one text. So those are the only ones that I'm going to leave visible. So I'm just texting, that's basically where we're going to show the number of stamps label and then 0. And then everything else I'm going to hide it for now. So I'm going through every single one because I don't want to show everything. I just want to show for this pass. I want to show number of stamps and 0 because this is a loyalty pass. And again, this is simplicity. I'm going to create an NFC pass, and I'm going to require for creation of the API, and I'm going to show you later why. I don't want a QR code, so I'm just put no and see it goes away. Also, I don't want any information on the back of the pass, so I'm not going to show in anything. The same thing for location. For the sake of simplicity, I don't want anything here. And the same for miscellaneous like expiration, etc. So now let's go. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to manage a few things using the API. What do I mean with using the API? That means that I can change it on the go. Like for example, one important value here is the number of stamps, not the label, but the number that is going to be changing. So like the 0. So I want to control it. So every time that the user gets a new stamp, that value is going to be updated. And also I want to control the strip image. So I'm going to not only make it visible, so now you see that it's visible, but also I want to require the change or creation via API. So that's why I have to toggle that message, toggle that checkbox. And then we're going to select the secondary fields, not only just visible, but I want to say required for the creation via API. And that's it. And of course, NFC, yes. And that's it. I save and publish the changes. Now I'm going to create a pass. So for that, I'm going to use a CURL command on for Mac OS. So over here, I'm just copying from getting started the critical information like API key. Then I'm going to copy the account ID, and those are the important information, and all from the getting started, and the pass ID. So I'm going to copy, and unfortunately this is only for Mac OS, but I'm going to show you on the blog that you can choose for Windows and use it for Windows. So I'm going to enter the NFC message, because that is controlled via an API. Then I'm going to use the strip image, and I'm just going to copy it here because you're going to have to host the NFC image, the strip image. So you're going to have to host it somewhere, and basically copy the link, and you can change that image on the go anytime you want. Like for example, every time that a customer get a new stamp, you can add it, you can change the image. And now I'm going to enter the number of stamps that is also controlled by API, and I'm gonna have a 0. Right? So let's create it. I'm gonna copy and paste it over over macOS. So I run the macOS terminal. I bring the macOS terminal now. And remember, if you're a Windows user, you can use it on for Windows. You can get that information. So I'm going to copy the JSON file that it returned. One important value here is remember to copy or save the serial number. That serial number is how you're going to update that pass. Every pass has a unique serial number, and if you want to update it, you're going to copy it. And in this case, to load the pass on the iPhone, I'm going to use this URL that I got as a return from my command. So I'm going to connect to the phone. I'm going to go to the browser, and I'm going to basically enter, copy and paste that URL that I just got. I paste the URL, and the pass will be installed. So all that I have to do is just add, and see the pass here is with the image that I set, and also the number of stamps and all the information that I just entered. So as you can see, it's easy as just you can do it in less than 10 minutes. And now let's go, and we're gonna see the pass is already on my wallet. In less than 10 minutes, you can get a pass, and in this case, it's an NFC reader pass. All right. Thank you very much.